At the end of the last video, we spoke about how we kind of have a duplicate function right now. getMessage down here has a sole purpose of returning the message variable, but because we define message with the keyword public, that automatically created a function for us to return the value of message. So at this point, I think we should probably delete the getMessage function and then figure out some way to redeploy our contract. Well, deleting the function is easy enough. I'm going to delete the function like so. Now notice down here at the bottom right-hand side, we still have access to the old instance of inbox that we just deployed a minute ago. This version of the contract down here, this instance, is still using the old version of our code base, where the getMessage function is still defined. So if I wanted to, I can still freely call getMessage. In other words, updating the code inside of our code editor over here does not retroactively modify any of the test instances of our contract that we have deployed down here. If we want to get a new, fresh instance of our contract that obeys the new rules of our code inside the code editor right here, then we need to redeploy our contract. Usually when we redeploy it, we might want to clean up or delete this old version of the contract right here. To do so, we can just click on the little X, and that deletes that instance from memory. Now to deploy a new version of this contract, we'll place a new initial message into the string input right here. So this time I might say something like Apple, and then again we can click on Create. That creates another instance of our contract, but now this one reflects the updated code for our contract right here. So now you'll notice that there is no getMessage function. I can still use this automatically generated message function to access the value of the message variable right here, or I can update setMessage again. So let's go to orange, and I'll setMessage and then call message again. So that's pretty much it for Remix. Now there are a couple other features of it that I definitely want to show you, but we'll discover those over time. For right now, I want to take a pause and continue in the next video and tell you more about what's going on behind the scenes with the contracts that we deploy. And I also want to tell you a little bit more about the Solidity language. So quick break, and we'll address those in the next video.